Next question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point on the ground is given, which is 30 meters, and the angle of elevation is given, which is 30 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. Let us draw the figure. So here AB is nothing but height of the tower. From the point, that point is C. From this point C to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. We have to find height of the tower AB. Let AB be the height of the tower. Here AB is height of the tower. We have to find height of the tower AB, which is equal to question mark. The angle of elevation from the point C on the ground is 30 degree. So the angle of elevation means from this point to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation with the horizontal is 30 degree. So that is theta is equal to 30 degree. From this point to the foot of the tower is 30 meters. The distance is 30 meters. You have to find the height of the tower AB. In this figure, angle ABC, which is equal to 90 degree. We can take tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite side is AB. AB is the opposite side, and divided by BC. BC is the adjacent. We can take tan theta. So if you take tan theta, the ratio of tan theta is nothing but opposite divided by adjacent, which is AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC is equal to tan theta. We don't know AB divided by BC is 30 meters. So 30 meters is nothing but the distance between the point to the foot of the tower is 30 meters. AB divided by 30 is equal to, the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is equal to, so AB is equal to, we can transpose 3 into 1, 30 divided by root 3. So AB is equal to 30 into 1 divided by root 3. We can write 10 into 3. 10 into 3 is 30, or 30 into 1 is also 30 divided by root 3. 10 root 3. Here you rationalize the denominator, or otherwise you can write this 3 as root 3 into root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, and denominator root 3 as it is. And we can cancel this root 3 and root 3 which is there in numerator and denominator. The final answer we will get is 10 root 3 meter. 10 root 3 is nothing but height of the tower. Height of the tower AB, which is equal to 10 root 3 meter. This is how we can calculate the height of the tower by using trigonometric ratio. Let us move to the next problem. A kite is flying at a height 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slank in the string. So here this KL is the height of the kite, where K is the point, it shows the position of the kite. the kite which makes an angle 60 degree to the ground. Let K be the kite and the string, here Kp is the string. The point P shows the string which is attached and tied at the point P on the ground. Here angle theta is equal to 60 degree. So we have to find the length of Kp. So in the triangle KLP, angle L is equal to 90 degree. Let us take sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. We want the length Kp. Therefore, opposite is KL. Opposite to sin 60 is KL divided by Kp. Sin theta is equal to KL divided by Kp, where KL is the opposite, Kp is the hypotenuse. KL is 60 divided by Kp. The value of sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2 is equal to 60 by Kp. So if you multiply, so 1 by Kp is equal to transpose 60 to denominator. Therefore Kp is equal to Kp 2 into 60 divided by root 3. Take reciprocal. So Kp is equal to, Kp goes to numerator, 2 into 60 divided by root 3. Transpose 2 into 60 to the numerator and root 3 to the denominator. That is equal to 2 into 60 can be written as 23 is a 60 divided by root 3. That is equal to 220 is a 40 into 3 can be written as 3 into 3. This 3 can be written as 3 into 3, root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by root 3. And we can cancel root 3 and root 3 which is there in both numerator and denominator, which is equal to 40 root 3 meter. So here the length of the string Kp, here the length of the string Kp which is 40 root 3 meter.